Working with the element air. Does the individual feel lighthearted? Will she take wing when she performs and moves? Is there melodic and harmonic level of sensitivity in her participating in a feeling of beauty, of happiness? Does indeed she have a structure of depressive withdrawals? Ask the person to experiment with the eagle, the blowing wind, fast spiraling activities of air and leaves in autumn, or a feather that gently glides down to earth. Getting access to the knowledge of sound is one of the 7 major neuromusical thresholds. It is related to the component air. This is an essential part of using audio and music, because in case a person cannot enjoy music and let herself be overly enthusiastic by the knowledge and the pleasure of audio, she'll not get much benefit from it. You will need to relax to become receptive, beginning your heart and your thoughts to the sensation of sound. If you don't enter the pleasure of audio and playing, you are unable to maintain a tempo for those who to dance to. You don't sink into the enjoyment of playing,